doing this shit again. So you saw in the last episode, we restored this old iPod. Basically what we did, we took the guts out of one iPod and put it into the case of another. And that's how we got this. It's mostly okay. It's got a few scratches, but those will buff out, right? Right. But 28 feller, I ain't a lot, man. So today we're going to be doing the tried and true method of flash modding one of these old 4th gens. So what do you need to flash mod 4th gen? Well, you need a SD card. You need one of these things. This is a compact flash to 1.8 IDE, which is what the hard drives use to connect to the pod mon. And then you're gonna need a compact flash card. This is one made by iFlash. These are like one of the best ones you can possibly get. So grab one of these because it will work. It will work. These, it might work. So we're just gonna pray this little solution here can hold up. So yeah, we're just gonna open this. So yeah, we're gonna open her up. I love how it says X-ray proof. What do you need to be proof from X-rays? Garbage everywhere now. And they have this weird like peely thing. So we have our tiny little micro SD card. I don't think you realize how tiny this thing is. And then you get the SD card adapter, micro SD to SD, just slap around like that. So now we gotta get this guy open. So we're just gonna tried and true, you know. I mean, yeah, this side. This side's got that lip to it. Yep. Then you lever up, and then this clips will just pop out. Okay. So yeah, we still have a good drive. Gotta be careful not to break that cable again. So yeah, this is a good drive. But we want to put that into that. So this is where all of our adapters come in. Micro SD to SD. SD to compact flash. And then compact flash to this 1.8 IDE thing. There we go. So as our Lord Dank says, you gotta bend this thing down. You gotta bend it down, because then it'll like push on the back of the screen and get the SADs. So now you just take it and you just slide it in. All right. So theoretically, this should be our hard drive now. But all right. So this is the stupidest thing of this whole video. So I got this roll of just like foam stuff, and I thought it was gonna be this like tiny little like Scotch tape roll. No, it's like bigger than the iPod. Oh man, the stupid decisions I make, man. Alright, so we're just gonna open this thing up. So now we're just gonna get this foam. Peel the sticky back off of it. Okay. Alright. Then we're going to stick it down onto here so this stuff doesn't like move around. This might actually be too much. We're going to cut a little bit off. Oh man. Alright, so I'm going to clean up. Oh, it still thinks it's the old iPod. Nice. Menu and middle for hard reset. That's what we want, man. So now I'm gonna clean up, and we'll get the MacBook going, and everything will be fine. So yeah. All right. So we got our pod, we got our MacBook, and we got a cable. So let's plug it in. It says do not disconnect. That's very good. Why is iTunes not saying it? Let's try it. I'm doing it. All right, let's plug it in again. Don't do this to me now. Let's see. Does disk utility see it? 128? Okay. Let's try erasing. Oh, no. Oh, this isn't good. XFAT. Let's try macOS. Erase. God damn it. Did not do it. Plug her back in. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Restore. Now you want to do it. Oh, it's happened. Okay. External power. Hold on. Oh god, we have to do some setting up here. No. So we're plugged in. We got the loading bar. Come on, boy. Oh, yes, it worked. Okay, we're doing it from here because I don't have any slack in the cable. So English, yes. Settings, about. Yeah. Hold on, backlight. Yeah. 119 gigabytes. Let's go, baby. Unplug. The glorious 119 gigs. Yay. We're going to close her up. Okay. We're gonna do the sacramental. Alright, so no rattle. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the MacBook and we're gonna sync this. And it's gonna take forever. So, I'll see you in like a day. Ladies and gentlemen, it is finally over. It took so long to sync this damn iPod. Oh, Jesus Christ. I mean, it was like, what was it? It was like 5 in the afternoon when I started this thing, and now it's like 8 o'clock at night. So, whoop-de-doo. So, but yeah, we've got our iPod. We put all 8,000 songs onto this bad boy. And I mean, it actually feels surprisingly better with this. I know with this like 5th gen, this is flash modded. It kind of feels a little light. It feels a little almost hollow. But with this one, it feels nice. So yeah, that's how you flash mod an old iPod. I see you guys in a bit.